So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can actually go ahead and unarchive any post that you have actually archived in the past, guys. So basically in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can actually show some of your old posts on your profile and pretty much unarchive them and have them on your page. So let's go ahead and get right into that, guys. So basically right now, I am currently on my page right now, and before the video, I actually archived one of my reels. So now we're gonna go ahead and unarchive the reel and have it being shown on our page. So what you're gonna want to go ahead and do is you're gonna want to go to the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now basically go ahead and click that, and then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to head over to the option that says archive. Now you can see right here, I go ahead and click on it, and my post is actually here. Now this is a video of me wiping my screen with the product that I was promoting. So pretty much what you're going to want to go ahead and do to actually unarchive this is you're going to want to actually click the three dotted line right here, and what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to press show on profile. So once you actually go ahead and do that, it's going to come up again. It's going to ask you show on profile, and then once you go ahead and do that, your post is going to be shown. Now you can see right here it is actually shown, and since it's a reel, it's actually going to be shown here too, but yeah, there you go. It's going to be shown on the page too. Now, if you only want this thing to be shown on your archive, what am I saying? You want this to be shown on your reel section only, just go ahead, press the actual video, and then go ahead and remove from profile grid. And that will remove the post from your actual post section and then put it in the reel section only. So that's pretty much how you guys actually go ahead and unarchive some of your posts. Hopefully you guys found this video extremely helpful, guys, and I'll see you guys for the next video.